Or you can't always see it very good, but I really love this color. I'm pretty sure that's the color of the paint. No, that's the wrong color. Oh! Hi guys, how you doing? Guess what day it is? It's Fix It Friday on Monday. Yeah, we were supposed to do Fix It Friday last Friday. Just wasn't feeling it. So, I haven't done a Fix It Friday in a while. So, and apparently I don't know how to back out the driveway. So, yeah, it's been months. I think like 4 months since I did a Fix It Friday. Gary and I were just taking a break, and you know, life happens and all that kind of stuff. So, I'm getting my couch tomorrow that I've talked about in the video. It is coming early. It is getting delivered tomorrow, and I wanted to paint that wall in the accent wall in the family room, and I didn't keep procrastinating. And y'all know the drill. When I get to the stop sign, I'll put my seatbelt on. So, I'm going to Home Depot right now. I'm supposed to pick Gary up at 12, and it's 11:25. So, I got to go to Home Depot and get the paint. I didn't even pick out my paint. I want it to be a sage green color. And we got to take down everything off the wall unit, move the wall unit, all that fun stuff. And we have to take the old couch out and put it down by the road. And yada, yada, yada. So, fun day. This is a washcloth. So this is the color that I am looking for. So I am going to stick this in my purse to match that up. It is like a soft sage green. I don't want it too dark. I want to lighten up that room. And I also bought a window scarf, because the one I have is burnt orange. So I want to change it to green. And then I can always keep the burnt orange one and put it back on during the fall to have a little bit of fall color. So that's what I'm going for. Going to go to Home Depot and then go get Gary. Honestly, that was painstaking. I had a really hard time picking a color. And I'm thinking, I should not have waited till today to pick a color. But then again, I'm thinking maybe that was best, because I had to make a decision. Because if I had went to the store like a week ago, I probably would have went home without any paint, because I would have had to go back like 2-3 times. So I don't know. And any of you women over 50, raise your hand. Have a hard time making decisions the older you get. So I wanted like a sage green color, and yeah, I just hope it's not too dark. I'll show you what, well, obviously you'll see what it looks like when I get home, and I'm gonna get a frosted cup just to, yeah, that like gave me anxiety. I have no idea why. That's crazy. Okay, so I bought this CBD oil a while ago. And, you know, it's just CBD oil. It don't have THC in it or whatever. You have to have you can get that here in Florida. There is a dispensary around here, but you have to have, I don't know, you have to have a doctor's note, or I don't know, something. You have to make an appointment, and I don't know if you need a note from your own doctor. Yeah, I think you do. I went and checked it out when my aunt was here, because she's in Colorado and she got all the stuff. Anyway, so I have only used this a couple times. I'm going to try it right now. You spray it under your tongue. I haven't really noticed it made a huge difference. My brother-in-law told me that you have to use this stuff like on a regular basis. You can't just use it one time and think that it's going to work for you. But I'm going to use it right now. I need to check. All right, guys, so Gary's here. Say hi.
Hi.
And so we gotta, well, first things first, we gotta take the couch out.
Kelly says hi.
Because it's coming tomorrow. So the couch has gotta go. And then we gotta take all this down so we can paint the wall. And yeah, so we just gotta start moving stuff. I don't think I'm gonna put it on camera or anything. I don't know.
Here we go.
We'll just do before and after. I don't know what I'm doing.
Right.
Anyway, and I think I'm going to take all that stuff down. It needs to be dusted anyway. I don't know. I'll decide. And I want to add accents of green because we're painting the wall green. You'll see what it looks like. And I bought a scarf to replace that one, a green one. And all right, we got to get the couches out. You got it by yourself?
A little bit.
So, I was gonna do a little Valentine's video for you. Yeah, that ain't happening. So here it is now. So, in a little insider YouTuber thing, guess what? I don't always do this, but a lot of times I'll set it up and decorate it and then undo it and then show me doing it. I don't know if that even makes any sense, but you know, I want to see what it looks like before I actually film it, and then I'll undo it and then film me decorating. So this is what I have for my Valentine's decor. I absolutely love this piece. I got it from Publix. Y'all, I find the nicest thing at Publix on during the holidays. It's unique. Nobody else has it. It's so cute, isn't it? So, and then I bought these beads that everybody and your mother has, because I had to have them and haven't set it up yet. So one of the reasons I didn't do this is because I was going to paint this green, a sage green. Leave the top, the brown stain color, and I just didn't get around to it. And I don't think I am now with the couch thing. So there you go. There's Valentine's decor. right. Dirty. Now I'm wondering if we should paint the baseboards while we got it all moved out and stuff. Crap. What is that on the wall? I think that was from the lounge. I think that's bare drywall. Maybe. From the chaise lounge hitting it. And the baseboards are looking nasty. And I need a new outlet for over here. And all the windows need clean. And I really didn't think this through, did I?
Nope.
I really didn't think this through. But with the new couch in here, I'm gonna want everything to be all nice and clean.
That'll be just fine.
Gary's gonna be working till midnight. You hear me?
It's a bigger job than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, there's dust up there.
And I think Gary's gonna take down the curtain rod part hangers, whatever you call them, and patch that and stuff. And I'm gonna open up that can of paint and test it on the wall. And if it's not to my liking, I'm gonna have to pick something else. But we got plenty of time tomorrow to paint. Hopefully nothing happens. I gotta clean and paint the baseboards. Take off all the outlet colors. Yeah, fun stuff. I cleaned the baseboards and the windows and the walls. Well, I guess I didn't really clean the windows. I dusted the windows. The outside needs done, and the track is disgustingly dirty, but I don't know that that's gonna happen today. Look at how dirty that is. So that needs to be done, but I don't know, I kind of want it done so that the whole family room is done. And I think I decided I'm not going to paint the baseboards. You're not gonna see that anyway. I don't know. Kind of want to, but kind of don't. The couch is gonna be there. Do need an outlet there. And so, I can Windex those on the inside, and then when I get a chance, I'll do the outside.
I think the baseboards are nice neon blue. No?
No.
Okay.
So we're going, I guess the next thing is we're gonna do a little spot on the wall and see what it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
And that'll probably be it for this video. Once we paint the wall, a little spot on the wall, and then, yeah. All right, I'm gonna sit here and drink some water while Gary paints a little patch in the wall, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Yeah, and decide if I like that color or not. I probably should have bought several colors and done a patch, but I want to get this done today. But guess what? It's not happening. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Whatever. It's not a big deal. I need to breathe. Breathe, Michelle. Breathe. Why does it look foggy? Okay, so we left the chaise part of the couch in here because Kelly loves sitting in it. And we want to kind of wean her off of that onto the other couch, I guess. I don't know. We're afraid she's going to spaz out because she really likes sitting on this by the window. So, we'll see. And the couch isn't coming till between 5:30 and 7 o'clock in the evening tomorrow. So we want her to have a nice place to sleep tonight. You know, she's old. We will cater to her for now. There we go. Not as foggy, but I'm getting some shadowing. I actually cleaned the lens. Maybe that was helpful. Okay, this is where I'll have all the crap from there. And some of this was decor, like I said, I was going to do for Valentine's Day. I guess my house is going to be a mess for a while. So this is the green, I don't know what you call it, window sheer scarf, window scarf that I'm going to switch out. And Gary's fixing the paint here in a second. So you can't always see it very good, but I really love this color. I'm pretty sure that's the color of the paint. No, that's the wrong color. Oh! Yeah, I don't know. This looks different in the store, which is, I'm a dummy. I just should have bought samples. Because that's what we did when we did with the orange. We did not know what to go with. And I actually found the orange color because I wanted to see the tone. And it is called Lucky Penny. And I think we bought several of these. Go ahead and do it. We bought the
You want to
paint.
do
Oh no, can you return paint? I shouldn't have done that.
You want to do a small?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
6 by 6 square above the outlet.
Yeah.
That way it won't be seen.
Yeah. All right, this is what I was basing it off of, and I don't know why. I should have held it up to the curtains, and it matches that. But that's not the color. That is more the color of green in my bathroom. So I want it to match this. I mean, I really want it sage green. I do want it sage green, but that's not. That's a different sage green. This is, I think this is probably more olive green. All right, back to the drawing board. Okay, we're back from the store, and that was the original color I bought. I'm glad we're not going that. That's too dark.
God, that's dark.
Yeah, that's dark. And this just got painted on, so that will lighten up. And it's just really hard to tell, but, and then I hung the scarf up on there, so I think that will brighten up the space for sure. So we shall see. Until next time, guys. Enjoy your day. Just keep swimming. We're back from the store. I'm back from getting Gary. And we're gonna paint and then eat something so this can dry. If you want to see more sneak peeks of next week's video or the following videos, because this is going to be several phases, guys, go on over to my Instagram and follow me at MyEveryDayWifeLife.